welcome to my Never Wonderland again. So this is my third video for tonight. As I've mentioned in the first video, yung unboxing nitong Barbie, I have 4 unboxings to do. And so I've made 2 already. The Barbie Starbucks planner with sticker, and this is the sleeve. And here's the binili ko sa plastic, the notebook or the planner. Now, which do I do next? Wednesday or Pennywise? These are Minix toys from Tonyo Toys. Hello, Tonyo Toys. He's my cousin, and he's in the business of selling toy collectibles or collectible toys for grown-ups. Okay. Let me do Wednesday first. Okay. So Wednesday has been my favorite horror character since high school. Si ano pa nun? Si Christina Ricci from Addams Family, yung favorite ko. And this one is, syempre, si ano na to? Yung bago. Si Jenna Ortega. Okay. Here she is. Yeah. Okay, so let's unbox her. When I was in high school, I have a few classmates who call me Wednesday. Because I had very long hair, and I used to braid my hair into. Yan, ganun. And I have somewhat dark personality. I was even voted babaeng misteryosa once. I'm not really that mysterious. Anyway, yan. Okay. Tumikit ulit. So, I'm not the kind of collector na collecting for the sake of collecting, na hindi tinatanggal, inaalis sa box. I like to be able to play with my toys. I mean, not play, to touch them. Not, yeah. So let's take her out of the box. Ta-da! And yan, sa gilid. Okay, so this is Minix. And let's, ano ba? Ayun ulit na. Hindi pa rin talaga ako kumuha ng ano, diba? Ng gunting. I'll bite it. Ayaw, hindi ko mabite. I can't get the grip on it. Wait na. I'll come back. Wait. Okay, I'm back with scissors. Hindi pa kasi natuto sa kanina eh. Porket na ano siya. Nadaan sa kagat-kagat. Okay, there you go. Pop you go. So this one, Wednesday is in the uniform, in her Nevermore uniform. Nevermore. Okay, and she has yung hand sa ano pa ng hand, and she has a book. There are two versions of this Wednesday. Ito yung isa, yung naka-polka dot, ano siya. But I chose this one because she's carrying a book and meron pa isang extra character, yung hand. Okay, maybe I'll get the other, I'm not sure. I only like Wednesday. Yan. Ta-da! Okay, so that's one. Come back again. I'm dividing the videos into 4 videos para isa-isa ko silang ipopost, di ba? Bye! See you in my last unboxing.